Right. So I'll begin with the presentation. So this course is being offered by Wall Street Club. I think everyone who's watching the YouTube stream would probably know what the club does already. So I'll move to the next slide. And the next slide has this question: what is quantitative finance? And in the background, you see the Stonks meme guy. Before I tell you what quantitative finance is, I'm going to tell you that I know something about everyone who's watching the stream right now, everyone who's left the stream because they were bored. I know that all of you are interested in making money. If I don't care if you're interested in any course or anything, for sure I can say is you all are interested in making money. And to know how money works, to know how finance works, I would suggest that you come to this course. And now I'll explain to you why quantitative finance is something that we're focusing on. For this, I'll take a page out of Indian cricket team coach Ravi Shastri, and I'll describe it as a combination of mathematics, statistics, finance, and computer science. Like you say, I think it's pretty visible from this chart. I could say that yes, it has some mathematics involved, it has some computer science involved, that it has some stats involved, and it has finance involved as well. So that's a lot of fields, right? But that is what you get from the CT, because there are so many fields here. You will not find resources everywhere on the internet. You will find resources for finance independently. You will study maths at college. You will probably study stats at college as well, and you'll obviously study computer science at college as well. What you'll not find on the internet is a combined resource of everything everywhere. So, which is why I would suggest you that this CTE will serve as a one-stop solution for all your queries regarding quantitative finance. And it's not just about studying the course. What we bring to the table is also some experience and some resources that we have used in the past. And we'll obviously be sharing those resources to you if you join the CT. Next, I'll talk about the timeline roughly. If you want a in-depth detail of what we'll be covering, you'll need to visit the CT website for that. So week one, we'll start with a very simple elementary introduction, and most of it will be focused on the finance part of everything and the CS part, the computer science part of everything. And the course has been divided into three phases so that you can understand it in different phases as well. So from week one to week four, we'll teach you something called as algorithmic trading, as you can read here. And what's unique about algorithmic trading is there are people who trade in the market and there are people who know algorithms. When you combine the two, voila, you get algorithmic trading. What we'll teach you in this week is how to make your own trading algorithms and how to run them on the live market. Hands-on experience on how this code runs on a live market. Between week 4 to week 7, we'll touch on this aspect, the M%, the mathematics part. And this is something that is, I would say, more available on the internet. There are numerous books regarding this, but all the books are 700 pages, 800 pages long. And again, you could obviously try and read all those books from start to finish. But like I said, what we bring to the table in this CT is we'll condense everything for you, and you'll get to know the mathematical finance part of everything. Then from week 7 to week 9, we have incorporated something called as financial data science. And this is something related a lot to what my friends explained earlier, who were taking up the course Intro to Machine Learning and Deep Learning and Causal Interface. So which is why I've not given the full 3 weeks quota for this. So we'll just be touching upon this, and then this is something that we left to you guys to develop more upon. And then obviously we might take a follow-up course in the next semester, specifically on financial data science. Uh, yeah, the next thing everyone has on their minds is prerequisites. Since you see these many things, mathematics, finance, CS, stats, what should I know to join the course? And I'll say and answer it very honestly. You need nothing from before to know to register for the course. However, I think a lot of the juniors, a lot of the you freshers have contacted a lot of seniors that I want to do something. I'm getting bored, which is why I've written this as well. This is you can consider this as a bit of a general advice. Even if you want to go into core, chemical, mechanical, anything, a bit of coding skills never ever hurt you. So if you want to start with something, start learning something, I would suggest you to learn some basic Python. And learning coding does not necessarily mean that you learn the language. It means that you learn some logic, and again, it will keep your mind sharp even if you don't want to get into coding. It's like solving a lot of problems from a chemistry book. So if you solve a lot of problems, you'll have a sharper mind. Next, the team. Aditya Aryan, that's me. That's my voice you're listening to right now. Naman will be taking the course with me, and obviously we have Rohan and Saransh as well. So all of us will be helping. We'll be coordinating and taking the course. Apart from this, we have the mentors, which is the whole quant wing of the Wall Street Club, and all of the people in the quant wing are extremely skilled. They've coded up a library by themselves, and that's a huge task actually. So we'll have numerous mentors, and since we have seen 90 plus registrations in every SEM for this specific course, we have a lot of mentors as well, so that there is interaction. So suppose if all four of us are busy, you can interact with your mentors, and each of them who's very skilled at everything. And we are also, I think we know what we are doing, if I say so myself. And you can check out our LinkedIn's if you want anything, or message any of us right now, even if you want to know anything about our profiles or what we know or what we do. Next, I think I'll keep this short and crisp because, like I said, I'll bet on one thing: all of you will be interested in making money. Besides this, if you have any doubts regarding the course and any feedback, if you found my voice very charming or anything at all, just mail us here at wsc.bitsgo@gmail.com. I think that's about it. Thank you. I'll hand over